Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Anne, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this look using affordable products that you can purchase at the drugstore or online. Before we jump to the video, I would love for you guys to subscribe by clicking this link right here, and also click the notification bell below so you can get updated when I upload new videos. We will start with the eyebrows. So using my e.l.f. bite-size eyeshadow palette in Truffles, I will start feathering that brown shade on the outer end of my brows, working my way in. This palette is super cheap, it's just $3, and I love how pigmented and smooth it applies. To prime the eyes, I will use my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in Medium Peach. I love this one because it's full coverage, it helps my eyeshadow stay all day, and it's just $6. To create the eye look, I will start by buffing this light mauve eyeshadow on my crease. This is from e.l.f. It's their bite-sized palette in Rose Water. Using my SIU palette from e.l.f., I'm gonna layer this lavender shadow on the outer crease. I love how these shadows have such great quality at a very affordable price. I'll use the darkest purple shade in the palette and blend it on the lash line to add depth and definition. I'm using a small flat eyeshadow brush for more precision and control. To deepen the crease even more, I will use this beautiful plum shade from the Rose Water palette. With my finger, I'm applying this really pretty pink eyeshadow from the same palette. To open up my eyes, I'm applying the lightest pink color in the inner corner of my eyes. To line my eyes, I will start by creating a small wing on the outer lash line, slowly taking it inside. I'm using the Wet n Wild waterproof liquid liner. My favorite part of this look is applying the NYX Full Whites eyeliner in linen inside my eyes. It just opens up my eyes really well. Don't forget to use your pinky to rest on your cheek so that you will have more balance when applying this product. And surprise, surprise, I'm going to use the same liner that I use as a mascara. I quickly topped off this eye look with some natural eyelashes. Now that the eyes are done, we can move on to complexion. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Pore Minimizing Primer just to smooth that all over my face. With a synthetic brush, I'm going to buff the e.l.f. Serum Foundation all over my skin. I love this one because it gives a dewy finish. It also minimizes the pores and it makes my skin look smoother. It has a great lightweight formula and it also is really easy to apply. To brighten under my eyes and on the corner of my lip, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. You'll be happy to know e.l.f. has a 25% off sale and $10 off 40. Shop my affiliate links below and the discount codes are in the description box as well. I'm blending everything with a synthetic fluffy brush to make sure there are no crease marks and everything looks smooth. With a fluffy brush, I'm going to use this bronzer from my e.l.f. Natural Glow Face Palette and apply that just on the side of my cheek, on my temple, and also on the jawline. And for highlight, I'm going to use that champagne color on top of my cheek and on my chin and cupid's bow. And on my cheeks, I'm going to apply just a soft peach color using a fluffy brush. This next product I've used for years. It's the HD powder in soft luminance. I'm just applying that under the eyes with a small brush. To define my lips, I'm going to use my LA Girl Bare Lip Liner, just softly adding more volume on my lips. For lipstick, I'm going to use one of my favorite lip combos. This is the Lip Suede in Tea and Cookies. And then for my lip gloss, I'm using Honeymoon Lip Lingerie Glitter Gloss. This is really nice. It's so shiny and glossy. That's the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something new today. If you like this video, make sure you leave a comment below and thumbs up on the video as well. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. That way you can see more videos of me in the future. I do have my links down below where you can shop all of the products that I use. Thank you once again for watching. I appreciate all of you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!